Looking back and all in a reasoning, have you ever thought about the people who put you down? And if they should see you today, you're in a better position than them. When people are down, never walk on them. Never treat them bad. Because when those people start to rise up, they'll be on the top of the ladder and you looking on you down at the bottom. Be careful how you treat people. It will come back to you tenfold. I've seen it many times. I remember I was working with this lady. The lady didn't want me to drink out of her cup or even eat out of her plate. She didn't want me to